Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make my March thank you notes. Aren't they cute? So we're using the Gorgeous Grape, Bermuda Bay, Calypso Coral, Melon Mambo, and check that out, we're using the Memento ink in the black. Isn't that beautiful? But we're going to make the Melon Mambo one today. Gorgeous. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So let's start with the measurements. The Whisper White is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. It's going to make your base. Then a piece of Melon Mambo cardstock, which is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. Then a piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, and then we're going to grab our stamps. Let me show you what we're using today. Okay, we're using 2 celebration items. This one is called the All Adorn stamp set. And it's going to be the greeting that we're using for this thank you note this month. So it says, "You are pretty much the best ever." Love that. And then this one is the Painted Season. We're going to use this beautiful flower right here. But this is also available in a bundle. Let me show you those. Let me show you both of these stamp sets. So this is the second release of celebration items. And here's the All Adorn stamp set. And then here is the Painted Season bundle that you also get the Painted Season designer paper. And then also available on March 1st, which was the third release for celebration, you can also get extra packs of the Painted Season designer paper. So you don't need to get the designer paper in the bundle, but it comes as a bundle with the stamp set and the designer paper. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to be using the Melon Mambo Classic ink. And we're also using the Story Label Punch, which is available in the Celebration Coordination promotion until March 31st. And this punch is right here. And it's the Story Label Punch, which coordinates with the All Adorn stamp set, which is what we're using for the greeting right here. Then also with the Painted Season stamp set, there's also a framelit that's available that will coordinate with that as well. So, and this is all in the Celebration Coordination promotion until March 31st. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab some Whisper White, and we're going to use the Memento ink for stamping the greeting. I'm going to stamp that right here. Okay, and then we're going to take our flower. I'm going to take my little 2 1/4 by 3 3/4 piece. I'm going to ink up my Melon Mambo on the stamp. This image stamps so beautiful. So let me show you here. So we're going to stamp it once up here. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to stamp off up here in the kitty corner off the top. And I'm keeping the center open just because we're going to put our greeting there. Look how pretty that is. Hopefully that shows up. It's so beautiful. All right, then we're going to grab our punch. Okay, so let's go ahead and layer our pieces together. Okay, we're going to pop our greeting up with 1 dimensional. The center of our thank you note. So awesome. All right, so then one more thing. We're going to add some shimmer paint. This is the Champagne Mist. You all know I love this stuff, so I'm going to give a little couple sprays to the finished card. I'm just going to spray this in the air, and I'm going to scoop it up and catch it on the thank you note. And of course, the camera's not going to be picking up all that shimmer, but it is so beautiful. Okay, so there's the Melon Mambo, and this is the Calypso Coral. The Memento ink with the basic black, beautiful, very elegant looking. The Bermuda Bay, and then also the Gorgeous Grape. Gorgeous. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you all love my thank you notes for March. Okay, so I also have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.